This is what you can get for $1.225 million in Las Vegas, Nevada. Beautiful 3-car garage, paver driveway. You also have a courtyard, but here's the fun part. A lot of people are looking for next-gen living. You can easily turn this house into next-gen living by adding a door right here. Come in through the custom security screen into 4,685 square feet. This has 6 bedrooms. It has 2 dens. It has 1 mega loft and more. Custom built-in entertainment center that opens up to this massive living area. You actually have a 3-door sliding glass panel that will open up. I've got the kitchen behind me. We've got a pool and spa outside and a full entertainment area. Now in the kitchen, we actually have Electrolux appliances. This kitchen and freezer is massive. Besides that, we have a walk-in pantry. We have gorgeous granite countertops, large, massive island. The owner is actually a baker, and this beautiful custom backsplash. And in this layout, you actually have 2 different options for a dining area. Here we've got one showcased, and behind me, we've actually got a pool table. Now, I have seen dining there. I also have seen a cocktail lounge. If I haven't told you yet, this house actually lives like a 1-story. All of the rooms that you really need are on the 1st floor, but it has a pop top. But first, come check out this mini suite. So let's call this bedroom number 2 after the primary. You have a full bedroom, you have a walk-in closet, and you have a full bathroom. Remember the beginning of this video where I was talking about a next-gen opportunity? Well, imagine this barn door behind me fully closed. Then you add your outdoor exterior door, and behind you, you have 2 more rooms and a bathroom. So if somebody needed to have a living room and a kitchen built in here, let's say like your mom is gonna come and live with you, this can be it. What's better than building a pool yourself? Well, letting somebody else do it. This pool and spa is pretty much brand new, only a couple years old. And behind us, we have also a newer entertainment center and a fully extended patio. Again, this is 1st floor living. So this primary bedroom is actually located on the 1st floor. It even has its own den, can be anything, a workout room, a sewing room, an arts and crafts room, whatever you like. The bathroom, wait till you see what the bathroom's connected to. But first, we work out. Massive primary bathroom with understair storage, but wait, come check this out. Well, first, pit stop, 2nd pool, tub. Now come this way. You take off your clothes, they always end up in your bathroom. You come in here, you come into the primary bedroom closet, you come in here, and you put it in the laundry room. The laundry room is attached to the primary closet. We're gonna gimp our way over here, because now I gotta tell you about the pop top with a broken foot. Upstairs, you're gonna find a loft, 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. But the best part is here in Las Vegas, you don't want to heat and cool 2 stories. This is not 2 stories. It's only 1 section of the house that gives you that 2nd floor. Come check it out. So they have this staged as a theater, which is incredible, but this could be anything. Do you need extra space for little kids, babies? Maybe that 18-year-old that's coming back to stay at home for a little bit? You've got the loft, you've got the full bathroom, and you have 2 more bedrooms up here. What else do you need? Okay. It's a big house. I'm a little tired. We're gonna sit down. So remember, if you need over 4,600 square feet in Las Vegas, Nevada, 6 bedrooms, 2 dens, a loft, all for $1.225 million. Who's your homegirl? I'm your homegirl, Falisha Rexford. Hit me up in the comments below.